Hello guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial. So guys, as you know, when you hover over a video on YouTube, it starts to play, right? As you can see, it starts to play video preview here. Right now, I'm going to show you how to disable that if you don't want to have those video preview play. So how do you go about doing that? Once you're inside YouTube and you log into your YouTube account, click your profile picture, your profile logo on the uppermost right hand side, and then click on settings. Now towards the left hand side, you want to click on playback and performance, and then under browsing you will find video previews. Simple toggle that off, and that's all there is to it. Now once you go back to YouTube, guys, let me go ahead and head back to YouTube here. You will see once I hover over any one of those video thumbnails, you realize that it will not play, right? So if this is distracting to you and you would like to be able to see those thumbnails and read them, and you don't necessarily want to see those video previews, right? You can easily turn this off so that you have more focus on seeing thumbnails and you don't have to have those video plays, right? So once you're ready to turn this on again, all you have to do is just come back here and turn it on under settings and playback and performance, and toggle the browsing video preview on. And then of course it will not work right away, so you just have to refresh your page, and then you can see that it will play now. See, once you hover over them, it starts to play again. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.